ORINOX Immersive Training Simulator is part of the ORINOX Cloud. It allows owner-operators and employees to complete advanced virtual training alone or as a team, even before your plant is completed. Thanks to our training tools, improve your efficiency and productivity, maximize your staff safety and security, enhance your construction and maintenance reliability all along the plant life cycle. From your training procedures and your 3D model, we create storyboards and 3D scenes in order to deliver your own ready-to-use immersive training simulator. With smoke, gas leaks, fire or explosion, practice troubleshooting in a virtual world. You will learn more from your mistakes than just by watching a video. Indeed, while a trainee retains 50% of information from a video, immersive training reaches up to 95%. ORINOX ITS offers a multitude of innovative functions. Familiarize with the facility, switch between night and day, operate in the same environment with multiple users charged with different roles, access the entire digital asset, test operator knowledge, and many more. To sum it up, ORINOX ITS is a global and collaborative solution hosted on a secure cloud platform. ORINOX ITS can be built according to your needs, allowing you to reduce cost and time and minimize risks.